Okay, it's time to hammer Super 7. We do it once in a while. We love them, but they drive us nuts. All right, so here's the Zartan. You guys saw it. Okay, the deluxe one comes with no faces as a disguise. All right, it's mind-blowing to me. Then we got the reaction Zartan here, which is a $20 toy, which really should be $5, but you guys get the deal. That comes with the backpack and an interchangeable, pretty good-looking face. You know, I think it's Breaker. That's what I used to say, or Jesus, whatever you want to call him. So how does a $15 toy come with a interchangeable mask that you put him in disguise, yet a Super 7 Ultimates action figure, Zartan, doesn't come with faces to put him in disguise? He's the master of disguise. I don't understand it, guys. Can someone reach out to Super 7? Like, someone get a discussion going on with them, because I think someone at Super 7 really dropped the ball here. Huge, not just small. This is a huge drop of the ball, especially with Zartan. Hopefully they rectify it. Let us know what you guys think. Drop a comment below. What else would you want to see with Zartan Deluxe that just got released by Super 7? All right, take care.